Introducing the Power Button Group, your gateway to seamless actions on the Lightning UI. Unlike conventional buttons, Power Buttons can be strategically placed anywhere on your Lightning pages, flows, and community pages, offering unparalleled accessibility. Begin by clicking the plus icon to introduce new action buttons. Provide an appropriate label for the button. Choose icons from the library that align with the intended actions. Select an appropriate variant for visual appeal. Specify the action type and meticulously configure the value source that best represents the information you're looking for. This could be a custom metadata, custom setting, record field, or static value. Next, select the value. Consider the requirements and establish visibility and disability criteria, ensuring a tailored user experience. Once the setup is complete, click Add to incorporate the designed button. Repeat these steps iteratively to effortlessly integrate multiple custom actions or buttons. By giving value to overflow after configuring a number of buttons to show in the group. Select the alignment of buttons. Now save this configuration. Let's add the configured button group on the case record page. Begin by navigating to the app launcher. Search for case and click on it. From the list view, open any record. Next, click on the Setup button located on the page and choose Edit Page from the drop-down menu. Now, locate the Power Button Group component and drag it to the desired location on the page. On the right side of the page, select the appropriate configuration name from the list, and then save the configuration. After saving, click the Back button to navigate back to the case record page. You should now see the button group displayed on the page.